You don't completely own the device that's in your hand. Let me explain. When you purchase a new device, what you're purchasing is the right to use it exactly as the manufacturer intended. Sure, you can break that contract, but they will be just as quick to break the warranty that they gave you. What this leads to is the burning question in the tech industry, which is the right to repair devices that you purchase with your own money. When we buy a new device, much like when we buy a car, we expect that we could do at least low-level fixes to it. The issue is, a lot of the devices we have a warranty sticker over the screws that we need to remove to do even the most simple repairs. So with this, I answer the question, is it ethical for manufacturers to restrict our ability to repair our own devices and then charge outrageous rates for them to do it in-house? I think not, personally. While I do understand why they do this, oftentimes these devices are very complicated and most people would end up doing more harm than good, there are people out there that are skilled enough to do these repairs, and it's really unfortunate that they can't even try to do it on their own. The issue, unfortunately for some companies, goes even a bit deeper than this. I remember the first laptop I bought for college, and it was advertised as upgradable. It had multiple NVMe slots, RAM upgradability, and other similar items. Issue is, once I went to open the laptop for the first time to do these upgrades that were advertised, there were warranty void stickers on the screws that you need to remove. I don't know about you, but if a manufacturer advertises the device as upgradable and then makes you lose your warranty by doing those upgrades, it kind of feels like entrapment to me. I went ahead and performed a storage upgrade anyway, because the included hard drive wasn't great, but in doing so, I avoided my warranty only 1 week after opening the device. And this was a risk I was forced into by the manufacturer. Can someone ring the alarm for me? Although all of this is the case, there have been some pretty big wins recently in the field of right to repair. Some companies like Apple, for example with their upcoming smartphones, are making them much more easy to repair in a self-service fashion, and they're even selling the equipment that they use in-house to repair on the open market for individuals to buy or repair shops. With all of this, I'd like to hear from you all though. Are you pro self-repair, or would you rather just leave it to the manufacturer and pay a premium for it? Let's talk about it in the comments. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please do like and subscribe. It helps me out so much, and I look forward to talking to you all in the next video. See ya.